Hi, this is Alex from Beech Garage. On offer we've got this delightful 1961 MKII Coupe, finished in Old English white with red leather interior. This is a UK right-hand drive car from new, originally supplied in Dundee. As you can see, the car is in outstanding condition. Performed really nicely on a test drive. I must admit I'd forgotten quite how nice the coupes are to drive. This one being quite exceptional. Quite a rare car, being a Mark II 1600, so benefits from the disc brakes and quite a few other upgrades that were available as the production continued through to 62. Very pretty car in this colour. Again, always been on disc wheels. Quite unusual these days. Many of them have been converted to wires. Personally, I quite prefer the disc wheels. There's some evidence in the extensive history file of diligent maintenance throughout. You can see everything's clean and tidy. Car drives really nicely.